Hey, what is up everyone? In this video, we're going to be comparing the Belkin Boost Up wireless charger, the new one, against a regular Apple wall charger with lightning USB cable. All right, so we're going to be comparing the standard wall charger against the wireless charging pad to see which one charges up to 100% the fastest. Both of these are iPhone 8s, and they are both completely dead and drained. No battery on either one. Let me try and power it on so I can show you. Both of them showing the charging logo. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and plug these babies up, and we'll see how long it takes to charge on each to 100%. Okay, so I have a Samsung Galaxy S8 here, which I will be using as the timer. All right, I'm gonna set it right here and start. So let's connect both of these up. All right, so let's plug it in and place this one here. As you can see, they're both charging now. You can see the battery logo there. And the timer is running. All right, so let's leave them charging here. Let's see how long they take for the first one to boot up. Wow, so it looks like the iPhone on the wall charger, the standard wall charger and lightning USB cable did power on first, and it's at 3%. And it looks like the iPhone 8 here on the Boost Up charger pad is finally booting on. It's about 3 minutes, 20 seconds now, so it's completely turned on. So let's leave them charging here now. I'm gonna continue recording, and then I'm gonna switch over to when they're closer to about 100%. So looks like the iPhone 8 is at 99%. And finally, it got to 100%. So the iPhone 8 with the Apple wall charger plug and lightning cable already got to 100%. It's about 2 hours, 26 minutes. So it's completed here. So we're just gonna keep recording here. And let's see how long it takes for the Belkin Boost Up wireless charging pad to charge the other iPhone 8 up to 100%. All right, guys, so it's about 4 hours, 21 minutes now, and now's when you can finally tell here that it just got to 100% right now. The other iPhone 8 on the wireless charging pad. So pretty big difference here between a standard wall charger and a wireless charging pad. Obviously, you can see that it's way faster, almost twice as fast with the regular wall charger. All right, so in my opinion, obviously the wireless charging pad is more comfortable. It's easier to just place your phone right on top of it and let it charge, so it's very convenient. But if you do need a fast charge, stick to your wall charger. Alright guys, so hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like. Remember, click on the subscribe button down below and on the bell to receive notifications on future videos. So we're going to be doing a giveaway when we get to 100,000 subscribers of a brand new smartphone of your choice. So stick around, guys. Till next time, peace. Ciao.